and today we have the Super Mighty Makers craft. Here's how it should look like. I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to read the steps. So first, I'm going to tell you what you need. So you need one cloud, one little cloud which you could cut out of paper, one marker, just like a little picture, and with like a little frame at the back. Also need some glue. You will need some rectangles out of construction paper. You will need some glitter with a plastic bag so that the glitter doesn't spill out. First, take your beautiful cloud, and on it you pick a friend. I have a friend. His name is. I wrote my little sentence. I'm just gonna let it dry. So then I'm going to give it to my friend Benji, and then so that if he touches it, it's not just gonna go like ink everywhere. Just I don't know, ink everywhere. Now, it says, write a word on each piece of colored paper that describes your friend. Okay, so you have to like describe your friend. So I'm just going to show you a little example. I'm just use red for this one. Because like, I don't know. Is this red or pink? I actually don't know. It seems red whenever it's like this. It seems pink whenever it's like this. Oh, I think because I have a light over there. Okay, just writing. Okay, the second color of the rainbow. Second color of the rainbow. Baby. So I'm going to glue this. After we glue this, we have to glue all of these onto this cloud. After, we have to wait 5 minutes, and then we will continue on our adventure. Just gonna glue it right there. Yes. So now I'm going to put this one right here. And now this one I'm going to place like that. And that should look like that. While this is drying, I'm actually going to open this up. We are going to glue this beautiful thing. So, just going to do almost things. I'm going to put glue, smudge glue around. Now let me just glue it beautifully. I need a little bit more glue right here. Right here. Now I'm going to put the glitter on. So now let me take some glitter, sprinkle it a little bit bit of glitter. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it over here. A little bit. My hands are full of glitter. I have put on some glitter. Just cleaning up my hands. I cleaned it up 2 times. I cleaned up my hands 2 times. So now I'm going to put this little picture frame. Not frame, but picture. Ding. This is a craft that you could do for your friends. And just if you want to, you could do it to your dad or your mom or your grandparents or anybody in your family, or you could do it to your friends. You could do it to your teachers. I'm gonna go give it to my friend, which he's not far away, but it will take a few days, I think. Maybe I just need to put it in the mail. It will go straight to him. And yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do this craft, and bye-bye.